Welcome back, viewers. So today we will be testing the true strength indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Alright, as I said, we will be testing the true strength indicator today. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 40 indicators. And out of those 40 indicators, 12 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set. Out of those 12 winners, the best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now, of course, you need to go back and watch that video to understand the context of how it was able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of these 12 indicators and get out there and start profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your profits. All right, as I said, today we will be testing the true strength indicator. It is a 2-line cross. It also has a 0-line cross built into it, but it is my opinion that the 0-line cross tends to be a little bit laggy and isn't really going to be the best way to try and trade this indicator. Best way to trade this indicator is as a 2-line cross. And so as the light blue line crosses down below the purple line, it will be a signal to go short. And as the light blue line crosses up above the purple line, it will be a signal to go long. And that is how we are going to trade it today. So let's get on with the testing and see what we are able to get out of the true strength indicator. Alright, so that was the first signal they gave right there. Did eventually go down, but the question is, how high did it go before going down? It looks like it held. Yep. Looks like it just barely missed stopping us out there and gave us a win. So, oops. Try that again. There we go. Alright, so our first signal was a winner. It continued to plug its way down. Pretty good amount there. Not too bad. Alright, second signal there was a long signal, and it turned around and dropped right out, giving us a loss. It's not too great on that one. It looks like it crossed here, giving us a signal. Looks like probably able to achieve the 90. Yep, we were. Squeezed it out before would have turned around and went back out on us. Looks like the next one was here, and that would have given us another win. So not too bad. 4 trades, and 3 of them would have been winners. Another signal, and another winner. Looks like the true strength indicator is holding up rather nicely. Of course, no indicator is without flaw. So it did give us another loss there. Let's see. Across here. And a win. Across there. And a win. Nicely done there, true strength. Nicely done. Add another cross here. And a win. Another cross there. And another win. Not too bad at all. Cross and a win. Good, good, good. I'm liking this one. It is really, it's really doing a great job so far. Let's hope it can keep it up. See across here, and that would have been really close. Let's see. They're not quite stopped out yet. Let's see what happens. Yep, I think it took the loss there. Yep, it did. So that one would have been a loss. And that one would have been a loss. Don't start failing us now. Come on, true strength. Keep it up. There we go. Back to the wins. That's what we want to see. Has these moments where it spikes up for just a second, crosses, and then drops back down. But it's still getting wins, so not too bad, not too bad. Let's get it into focus here. There we go. Getting close to the end of the year now. Looks like it barely gave us a cross on that one. Shame, shame. It came back up on this one. Ooh, I don't know if it was able to get, let's see, across there, top here, 84 there. Nope. Back-to-back losses there. And dropped out on that one, giving us a win. And that is the end of the year there. Alright, so let's see what we got out of the true strength indicator. Put us in focus there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 winning trades, which puts us in the winning zone. So yes, this one will go on the winners list, and it does look like it caused some really good trades. I am hopeful that we'll be able to filter out some of these losing trades as we start tweaking and adding other indicators to it. But at the moment, it did rather well. Not the best one, and definitely not the worst one. But yeah, this one's going to go on the yes list. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, alright everybody, I will see you on the next video.